check this crap out. Like, look how windy it is out here at Lodi Lake. Holy crap, gee. What's up, guys? Welcome back to AG Bassman. I just caught a baby turtle, and that's pretty much it I've caught all day. It's a red-eared turtle. This is legit. Oh crap.
Don't rub it on the metal, okay?
Look at this fish. This is a nice, like, three pounder. He looked like a 4-pounder. Yeah. Anyways. Finally, I've been out here all day long, and I finally catch one.
Got the wire.
Here, come here. Come here. Right in the top of the lip. Holy crap. Look at this. You guys, check out this nice bass. Look at this nice, healthy bass. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh my god. Look at his mouth. Look at his mouth. His mouth is freaking huge. Guys, I got another one. What? Yeah. Jeez, this is a big one. He's a big one. I think this is a carp. So I'm fishing in unbelievable weather. I can't believe I'm still out here. But yeah, it's totally worth it to catch a 20-pound carp or something like that. But yeah. Anyways, this is crazy, crazy weather. You could just hear it on my hood. Dude, oh my gosh.
Don't buy mine.
Look at this white streak. Oh my gosh. Hey, what's up, guys?
Just flip or die, dude. Flip or die. It's about the same size we caught earlier.
Oh shit, dude, he's big.
That's actually, yeah, it's way bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger. Good. What's up, guys? Caught another one. It's a bass now. Oh, this is a small one. Heck, a small one. But I got him hooked good.
Want me to throw out some cum corn? Oh my god.
See, you could totally tell the difference when you catch a bass, because it took my rod, baby. Go out to the nature trail and find some treasure. Not in the water, but yeah. Anyways, my sister's screaming. Yeah, she's crazy. So I made it back in the nature trail area now, and so we're looking at stuff. Me and my sister split up, so she's gonna find some treasure and what's interesting to her and what's interesting to me. Whoever finds the most interesting piece of treasure that's not in the water, that's around the land and everything, that's what we're gonna, then somebody just, like, you know, yeah. Anyways, so this dude caught a bass, nice, like, 4-pounder. Do you think?
Probably 5.
The dude caught I was out here yesterday fishing, and the dude caught a 5-pounder. It was a lot bigger than this, but
it was probably like my 16th cast, and he fought for at least 5 minutes.
yeah. On that little...
Yeah, on this right here.
Dang, that's crazy.
People were fishing around for like 15 minutes and they cast nothing. I was like, I'm gonna stay here. You know?
Yeah, I would say he's like 4 pounds, but thank you for, like, letting me hold him.
No problem, man.
Catch you get.
My name's Tuna.
Nice to meet you, Tuna. I'm Ian.
Oh yeah.
I come out here pretty often, so yeah.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see each other more, man.
Yeah. So guys, that 4-pounder that guy caught, it was about like a 4-pounder, but anyways, yeah. That was a nice one. It was like a nice female, had a fat belly and everything. So apparently they're all respawning in this muddy water. And it sucks because then you can't see them. You have to blind cast them. So no sight fishing really, anyways. this year, I guess, for this lake, which sucks. But anyways, I'm gonna be anyways, we're gonna get to the treasure video, and we're going to check out my spots now and see what I found, and here we go. So guys, unfortunately I am back at the house now, and that challenge has failed, that treasure challenge with my sister. So yeah, we kind of like got distracted, and it didn't really work out with all the footage and everything. So, you know, it could have gone better, but it was just too complicated for me to edit the video and all that. So that treasure hunt was a fail. So yeah, but guys, don't be disappointed in that. There's another video coming up on Saturday, and yeah, that content will be really nice, because I'm gonna be doing the very first challenge video in my channel. But I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace out.